Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to make a image blur in Python. So we have this image of a cat, and we are going to blur this image. And let's see how to do it. We are going to use Python image library, PIL. So from PIL, import image and image filter, and then we are going to open our image file, and I'll name it cat image dot open. The name of image file, I just need the whole path up to that file. Paste it over here, and then will be blurry cat. This will be cat dot filter, and we're going to pass in image filter dot Gaussian blur, and then we are going to save the blur image also, and then we are going to show that image. So this will be blurry cat dot save, and here we also need the complete path, so I'm just going to copy from here. And name it blur cat. And then we are going to show this image in our default image viewer with a blur added to it, and it will also be saved in its blurrier state in this directory, so wherever you want to save. And here we're gonna do blurry cat dot show. Let's run our code, and here's the cat image with blur added to it. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.